Welcome, listener. Today we will discuss tuple in Python. Now, tuple is a standard data type in Python. Now, a tuple is similar to the list. It consists of a number of values separated by commas and enclosed within parentheses. The main difference between list and tuple is that we can change the value in a list, but not in a tuple. So, tuple is a read-only data type. The list is not. List is mutable, which means that the value of its elements can be changed. Tuple is immutable, which means that the value of its elements cannot be changed. That is, no adding, removing, or changing elements. Now, creating a tuple. Tup1 equal to 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, and that should be under first bracket. Now, the indexing is from 0 to 9. That is, tup1 0 is 100, tup1 1 is 101, tup1 2 is 102, dot dot dot, tup1 9 is 109. So if we go in the forward direction, indexing starts from 0 to 9. And if we start from reverse direction, that is backward direction, the indexing starts from -1. So in this case, 10 elements are there. So -1, -2, -3, -4, dot dot dot, -10. That means tup1 -1 is 109 and tup1 -10 is 100. Now accessing elements, just using tup1 is this. So tup1 0 is 100, tup1 5 is 105, tup1 9 is 109. But if we try to find out tup1 10, now 10 elements are there. Indexing starts from 0 to 9. So indexing 10 is not there. So index error comes. That means tuple index out of range. Same way, tup1 -1 is 109, tup1 -6 is 104, tup1 -10 is 100. But if you try to find out tup1 -12, same thing, index error, tuple index out of range. Now here, tup1 2:7. That means we will go from indexing 2 up to indexing 6. That is from third element to seventh element. That's why we get 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. Now tup1 3:. That means we go from indexing 3 up to end. That is from fourth element up to end. That's why we get 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. Now here tup1 1:9:2. That means we start from index 1, that is second element, up to 9 means you will go up to indexing 8. Always one element before. That is ninth element. In the step of 2, that is 2 is step side. That's why 101, 103, 105, 107. Now up to this, it is fine. But if we try to write tup1 3 equal to 110, that is to edit data in a tuple, an error will be generated. That is type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Now here you see tup1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 using parentheses. So if you type print type tup1 class tuple, you will get. Now in the next example, tup2 equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 without parentheses. That is comma separated values. Now if you type print type tup2, same class tuple you will get. Now tup3 equal to 12 comma, that is comma after first element. And if you print type tup3, again class tuple will display. Now tap4 equal to 12 without comma, that is comma is missing. Now this time print type tap4 class int will display. Now what is the difference between comma and comma missing? Actually, we want to create a tuple with a single element. In that case, we must add a comma after the element. In the absence of comma, Python treats the element as an ordinary data type. 12 is integer type, that's why tap4 equal to 12, comma is missing, class int will display. Now tap5 equal to only first bracket, no element is there, that is empty tuple. So if you type print type tap5, class tuple will display. Now tuple operation, t1 equal to 1, 2, 3, t2 equal to 4, 5, 6. Now if you write print t1 plus t2, that is concatenation, we will get 1, 2, 3, after that 4, 5, 6. Now repetition operation is also possible in tuple. That's why if we write print t1 asterisk 3, that means t1 will display 3 times. That's why we will get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now membership test is possible in tuple. That's why print 3 in t1. Now 3 is present in t1. That's why true results. This is one example where all sorts of data types are there. That is tab underscore 1 equal to b, comma abc, comma 4.5, comma 92, comma 87. That is integer type is there, floating point number is there, string type is there, character type is there. Again, tab underscore 2 is a, comma 81, comma 5.6. So print tab 1, you will get b, comma abc, comma 4.5, comma 92, comma 87. Print tab underscore 2, you will get a, comma 81, comma 5.6. Print tab underscore 1 asterisk 2, that is repetition. That's why b, comma abc, comma 4.5, comma 92, comma 87. Again b, comma abc, comma 4.5, comma 92, comma 87. Print tab 1 plus tab 2, that is concatenation. That's why b, comma abc, comma 4.5, comma 92, comma 87, comma a, comma 81, comma 5.6. Now print tab underscore 1 indexing 0, that gives b. Print tab underscore 1 1:4, that means from indexing 1 to 3, that is 1 to 3. That's why you will get abc, comma 4.5, comma 92. Print tab underscore 1 2:, that means indexing starts from 2 up to end. That's why 4.5, comma 92, comma 87. And print tab underscore 1 minus 1, that is last element, that is 87. This is tuple versus list comparison. Features is syntax. Tuple you will put under first bracket 4, 5, 6. List under third bracket 4, 5, 6. Mutable, tuple is not, no. List is yes. Hashable, tuple is yes if all elements are hashable. List is no usually. Now what do you mean by hashable? In Python, an object is hashable if it has a hash value that remains the same during its lifetime. And use case, fixed data, and list is dynamic data type. Thank you.